I live in Norway. I lived there for 47 years. And this is the second time I'm here with you. It's nice to see you all again. Thank you very much. My friend Paddy, he just wiggled his finger at me and he said, and I thought, well, I've got to do something here. So I'd like to start off with, I'd like to try to sing two songs. The first one is in Norwegian, and you most probably know the melody much better than I do. Yeah? And it's called, I don't know the Irish title, but it's something to do with the Sally Garden. Okay? What? Down by the Sally Garden. Okay? So I'll get my hands out in my pockets and I'll have a go. I can't remember the start. You. I'll start on the Welsh one. Okay? It's a love song, and it's written by a young couple who are sitting on the beach, looking out towards the sea, and no one ever knew what happened to them, but the song is there, and it's called Allan Amor. There are only 3 verses, but I can't remember more than 2. Okay. Allan Amor, my Rosses Cochion. Allan Amor, my Lilies Guanyan. Allan Amor, an Hariadine, an Casquivno, Sacholir Podre. Allan Amor, my Caleg Wastan, Debi Mantavarion, Mentam Karyan, Odoiti Han, my time and Travi, Akambril Spring, Oros Marie. Do one more. Allan Amor, my Rosses Cochion. Allan Amor, my Lilies Guanyan. Allan Amor, an Hariadine, an Casquivno, I remember the Irish one now. It was there's a Norwegian. He's called something or other, and he put a Norwegian word to an Irish melody, which you most probably know more than any Norwegian who lives in Norway, and it's called. Have I forgotten it again? God love us all. God up there. There we are. Down by the Sally Garden. Can you give me something there? Okay, thank you. Right. Any coffee? Once more, please. Okay, fine, thank you. Yeah. Emid hamna diven norre kväll. Det blir mörkt om ett regn. Lada ljuse och vänlige tanke följer oss in i drömmens land. Låt varmen dra in samma gladhet, gärna stjärnor i väggens natt. Varme tankar och händer som